There is a button on the other side that also has the same bright light. So you got two buttons on the left and right that have the flashlight, and then one button on the right or left has the green, and then on the other side you get the red dot. So it depends if you want green or red. Personally, I don't know. They're both are really nice looking. The green seems to stand out a little more than the red, but that's just in our office. So overall, you can have both of them on at the same time, green and red. That could throw you off a little bit, but you can have them both on at the same time. Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today we are showing you guys this pistol light laser combo. So it's magnetic charging, 500 lumens, red and green laser. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get. So inside the box here, you get a nice little manual. Check out your manual for every single feature. In here, they give you the battery and tool to open it up. You get your charging cable, power cable inside there as well for charging. And this is the device itself. There's the light, extremely bright. In fact, we can go ahead and demonstrate that for you all. Check that out, extremely bright, and it's a press of a button. So all you do is press the button on the side here, and that turns the light on and off. Then you got the laser. So as you guys can see, even with a lot of bright light on, you can see the light. We can go ahead and turn that off. And as you guys can see, it is a really bright laser. In person, it's easier to see. You can have them both on at the same time. There is a button on the other side that also has the same bright light. So you got two buttons on the left and right that have the flashlight, and then one button on the right or left has the green, and then on the other side you get the red dot. So it depends if you want green or red. Personally, I don't know. They're both are really nice looking. The green seems to stand out a little more than the red, but that's just in our office. So overall, you can have both of them on at the same time, green and red. That could throw you off a little bit, but you can have them both on at the same time if that is something you want to do. So due to following guidelines and following the rules, we cannot actually show a firearms in our video, but you guys get the point. You saw it demonstrated. You saw how bright the light is. So I've been able to go over the features. You guys can check out the manual for more information, but as you guys can see, very bright light. Green laser dot, very bright. You can have both on at the same time if you want. It's up to you. In person, it looks way brighter than the camera's even picking up. So you're going to be able to see this for a long distance. No problem whatsoever. Overall, it's really nice. We're going to install it on our Glock. Sadly, again, I can't show the firearm in the video without getting flagged, and that's just a whole big issue. But at least you guys know how it looks. Installation is simple. They have a manual that tells you how to install it and go over. So everything's simple with that. And overall, it's very nice. We're going to definitely personally use this for our Glock. I actually can go over a compatibility list for you guys, just in case you are unfamiliar with it. So this is not the full compatibility list. This is just the list they have, but you can use a lot more than what I'm about to say. This is just what they have listed. It said it can be used on most Glocks or Picatinny 1913 type rails, such as Glock, 19, 17, 20, 21, 23, 34, 35, SIG, P220, P229, 226, 320, and so forth. That's just what they have listed. I'm sure they have more on the listing, and I'm sure you can contact them for a full list as well. But overall, it is really nice. So we're going to go ahead and install this. I just wish I could show you guys me installing it and actually on the weapon, but due to copyright issues, that's something that we're just not going to do. I'm sorry, guys. I apologize for that. But I can personally say, someone who has firearms, this is definitely a nice laser. The charging, I absolutely love that it's magnetic charging. Again, that's all you do for charging. It just simply magnetically connects, and then you use this into any USB port to charge this. That's it. It's that simple. It's that easy. You can even, what I'm going to be doing is when we're hunting, if I take, I always have a personal pistol on my side when I'm hunting. You just never know. Weirdos out there or other animals, you never know. So what I like to do is I personally take a power bank with me. So a power bank, here, let's show you guys. So guys, this is a power bank. I take this with me. I actually take anywhere from 2 to 3. So you could charge this, that way if you're at a cabin or something, plug this into a power bank directly, magnetic connect to this, and that's it. And now it will start charging from my power bank directly to this device. It's that simple, that easy, works great. Love it, guys. Charger, I love that it's magnetic. Makes it so much nicer, so much easier just to simply connect.